This video shows you how to connect your Epson printer to a wireless network. In this demonstration, you'll be using the printer buttons to select wireless settings. Before you start, there are a few things you need to check. Do I already have a wireless network? First, make sure you have a network already set up. Your network may include one or more computers or an internet modem connected to a router. Before making a connection, make sure that your router is wireless. Later, you will see how to add your Epson printer by connecting it to the router. What other information will I need? You'll also need to know your wireless network's name. This is called the SSID. The SSID was entered into your router when it was first set up. What security settings am I using? If you have wireless security turned on, you'll also need to know your network password. Write down the network name and network password on the Start Here sheet. You'll need them during setup. If you don't have this information, ask the person who set up your network. Now let's set up your Epson printer and add it to your network. When you're done, you'll be able to print wirelessly from this computer. You can add the ability to print from another computer later on. Follow the steps on the Start Here sheet. The Start Here sheet shows you how to physically set up your printer. When you see this screen on the printer, do not touch the control panel. Continue following the instructions on the Start Here sheet to load paper in your printer. When you get here, install your printer software. Insert the CD that came with your printer and click Install. At this screen, select how you want to connect. Since you want to print wirelessly, select Wireless Connection and click Next. Now select the option to set up the printer for the first time and click Next. Since you'll be using the printer buttons to connect to your wireless network, choose Select Settings using Printer Buttons and click Next. When you get to this step, look at your printer's control panel. If you see this screen on the printer, select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. If you don't see this screen, press the Setup button, then press the right arrow button and select Wi-Fi Network Settings. Next, select Wi-Fi Setup, and finally select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Now you'll choose your wireless network and enter its password. Press the right arrow button until you see the name of your wireless network, then select it. Next, enter your wireless password using the numeric keypad. If your password contains uppercase or lowercase letters, be sure to enter them in the correct case. Press a number button repeatedly until you see the uppercase or lowercase letter you want. Press the 1 button to select special symbols in the same way. Press the right arrow button to move to the next character, or press the backspace button to delete incorrect characters. When you're done entering your password, press the OK button. Your printer is now connected to your wireless network. Follow the rest of the instructions on your computer screen to install the software and finish setting up your printer.